Welcome to the HODL tutorial, Buying HODL on Pancakeswap using the Coinbase browser extension. First, we are going to copy the HODL contract address. Then we are going to select Buy HODL Now in the top right-hand corner. You might be prompted to import token. Select I understand. Select Import. You might need to import HODL manually. Select the drop-down menu. Paste the HODL contract address into the search box. Select Import. You will be prompted to import tokens. Select I understand. Select Import. We need to connect our wallet. Select the Metamask option. You will be prompted to connect through the Coinbase browser extension. Your wallet is connected to Wallet Extension. Switch your browser extension to the Smart Chain network. We could choose the amount of HODL we would like to buy, but in this tutorial, we will be putting in the amount of BNB we are willing to spend. We need to adjust our slippage tolerance. What is slippage? Slippage is the price difference between submitting a transaction and transaction confirmation. Price might rise. Price might fall. What is slippage tolerance? Slippage tolerance is a pricing difference setting that users are willing to accept when swapping. Adjust your slippage tolerance for taxes and market conditions. More trading requires more slippage tolerance. Slippage and tokenomics tax are not the same thing. Select the gear icon. We will be using a custom slippage tolerance of 15%. When you are finished, close out the settings. Select Swap. If your transaction fails to complete, try again, but next time putting 0.00 at the end of the amount of HODL you wish to purchase. Confirm the transaction payment on your Coinbase mobile app by selecting Pay. Our transaction has been submitted. You can view your transaction receipt through the Binance Smart Chain network on BscScan by clicking this link. Thank you for considering purchasing HODL, and thank you for watching this tutorial.